till my eyes get sore. I hear your jokes and my own answers. You're in every high end, every door. Am I a coward? Am I cruel for holding on to you this tight? I built a house, so maybe someday. Now I'm sharing it, but it ain't right. 'Cause you're the love of my life. Even if I'm lying here beside another, you're the love of my life. Every word that I don't say just makes it tougher. I miss your voice, I miss the way you listen. All our conversations entangled in my mind. You're the